Hi, I'm Lisa, and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you are here today. Before I get started, I just want to remind you to subscribe and hit that bell, and then you'll get a notification every time I post a new wig-related video. I'm bringing you this review today for PinkyPromise.com. A reminder for Pinky Promise is that if you go to their website and sign up to receive their emails, you will get a 30% off new subscriber code. Also, you can email support@pinkypromise.com anytime you have a question about a wig or if you're wondering if a wig is in stock. So this pretty hair that I am wearing, this wig surprised me. I'm so excited to talk to y'all about this wig. So this is Cloud in Pastel Lilac Rooted. So I'll be back in a minute and I will tell you all about this pretty long, straight, sleek hair. All right, let's start talking about this beautiful wig, Cloud by Wille. So, like I said, the color on this one is Pastel Lilac Rooted. I want to make sure I say it right. That's why I keep glancing at my notes. But this color, I'm going to talk about the color in a minute, but it's almost looks like a gray in some lighting. So I'm excited to show it inside and take it outside, and we can look and see if that lilac really starts to pop. So anyway, she is a long, sleek, straight style. Now these are their Futura synthetic fibers that are heat friendly. So you can add curl to her if you want to, or you could leave her nice and straight and sleek. I am loving this just straight, cool, edgy, look. It just looks like perfect flat iron hair, My hair would never perfectly flat iron, so I guess maybe that's why I'm loving this. But again, it's nice that you have the option that you can add curl if you want to, because she's also got the length to do some updos and some things like that. So I will show you her from all sides, and then we'll get into all of her specifications. So here's the front. My right. The back, my left, and then back to the front. Okay, so measurement wise, she has this fringe in the front that is an 8-inch fringe. Now, if you wanted to, I think that you could definitely, shorten that if you want to have bangs all the way across your forehead, or if you just want to shorten the bangs and have, a sweeping bang, a shorter sweeping bang, I think you could do that. She is 14 inches from the crown. She is 14 inches from the sides, and she has a 14-inch nape. So just a little bit of layering that kind of gives her some texture, gives her some nice movement, but her layers are very long, so she's not gonna look, poofy at all. She's gonna stay low density, sleek, and straight. So cap construction wise, she has just a little mini lace front. This cap construction reminds me of the same that was on that Taboo wig that I reviewed. So she's got a small lace front here. It just literally looks like a little triangle in there. And then she, so this bang sort of covers your, sweeps over your forehead. But one thing that's nice about this rooted color is that you still have the appearance of a part. And then she's got some monofilament back here in the crown. So it looks nice, it doesn't, and even to the eye, I mean, when I looked at it in the mirror, it almost looks like it's parted. Get way up close. I can't ever tell how that looks, but way up close so you can see that. Okay, so ear tabs, I've got good coverage on the ear tabs. I have just a tiny bit of bio hair showing. This is, of course, a petite average wig since it's Wille. Cap size they give for this is 21.25, so it will stretch up to about average, and then that's probably gonna be as high as it's gonna go. So, although I have seen women who are above average wear Wille wigs, so I'm just not sure how it fits around their face and things like that. I've just heard them say that they can wear them, so very pretty. That's something you could share in the comments. If you're not a petite and you wear Wille, share that with us in the comments. But I have really, really good coverage, so very, very nice. Okay, I will pop her off and we will look at her interior cap construction. Let's look at the inside of the cap for Cloud. So this is what I'm talking about. There's your lace front. I think it's a little smaller than the one that was on Taboo. If I remember, that one was just slightly longer, but you see it's just like a little triangle of lace there. And then you've got a monofilament crown, so you have that appearance at the crown. And I'll show you the outside of the cap in just a minute. So here you have just closed wefting, no permatease, very low density, as I said. The soft velvety felt ear tabs with a nice piece of metal. Open wefting all through the cap. You do not have an extended nape. This is the soft felt here. And then she has the Velcro adjusters. So let me flip her over here. So here's the top of that cap. And it doesn't have like the little sticky up permatease. There's hair, it's really just hair that is covering the top of that cap. Now, of course, you're only gonna have a monofilament appearance here on the very front. And then it's gonna come in again at that crown. So I'll try to show you that. Right there at the crown, see right here? And then here's your mono over there at the front. But then look at the top. It's not bad at all. So it really, especially with a rooted color, you know, this might be one that you want to do some rooting on. Choose one of the rooted colors. It comes in these, you know, fashion colors, but also comes in some regular shades as well. This is part of their Perucci collection, by the way. All right, let's talk about this Pastel Lilac rooted color. Okay, they do not give any color codes for this. So just so you all know, I don't have a color code, but their description of this one is cool platinum beige blonde highlighted with pale lilac with light brown roots. I don't know, I wouldn't say that's light brown. I would say that that is a medium brown. Probably about a 6, a 4 or a 6, somewhere in there. Cooler, definitely a cooler medium brown. I feel the whole color I feel like is cool in tone. You know, you've got that platinum blonde that's highlighted with a really subtle lilac. Like I said, it really gives a silver appearance in some light. It's pretty though. I didn't think this was gonna work for me. I'm not really pastels are not great on me, but it's cool toned, and I think between the rooting and just the silvery, you know, aspect to the color, I don't know. I guess that lilac tones down that platinum a little bit, because usually platinum's a little harsh on me. So it's working. I love being able to show you all these because you know I'm a natural brunette. And this is just showing you can play around with some colors and have some fun, and you don't always have to wear those brunettes. So, okay, let's take this color outside and look at it in the natural light. It's pretty. I think it looks more lilac outside. There's that mini lace front, that mono crown. You can see the parting out here. Do you see what I'm saying? At least in the rooted shade, it looks very realistic, which I love. And it's cloudy right now, but this is, you know, out in the full natural light. Okay, I'm gonna add just a little something different here. This is right in front of a window. So indoor direct light from the window. I just think this color is so dynamic. I just want to show it to you in different lighting. Okay, very, very pretty. I hope that all of those different angles of the color were helpful for you. So let's talk about glasses and all that kind of stuff. So she is ear tuckable. Like I said, she's very low density, so you can tuck her behind the ears, all kinds of stuff. So I'll show glasses to you. Glasses are easy. Her ear tabs are, you know, nice and close to my head, so they don't, you know, they're not in the way at all. Really nice. You can put them up on your head, no problem. I think you could even push the hair back with your glasses. Let's try that. Well, I would want to tape it down if I did that. But yeah, she's lightweight enough that you could do that. So, okay, little experiment. All right, so let's put a headband in her. I think the leopard's gonna look super cool in this color, so Very pretty. You could even pull down, you know, this bang. Have that right around your face. The nice thing is you have that sweeping bang, so even though you don't have that full lace front, you still have forehead coverage, which is nice. Really, really cute. So she's got lots of styling potential because she has all this length. So she looks cute in a half up, half down. And the bangs are long enough that they are staying back. So I think you could do either way. Maybe not that very front bang that's wanting to come down, which I like anyway. But you know, you could bring those might fall out of the clip, but you could bring them down there as well. I like to do that because, you know, if it covers the ear tab a little bit, and if I have bio hair showing and it just doesn't match, you know, I like to do that. So she looks cute like that. And then she's long enough for a pony, which is always nice, or a twist, or she would look really pretty with a long braid down the back. One thing to note is the lack of the extended nape. I kind of wish she had, with this length, I wish she had an extended nape, but they are trying to keep the price point down, you know, with this particular cap construction. So, you know, I understand why the nape isn't extended, but, you know, for updos, it's nice to have an extended nape. You don't have to have it though, so don't freak out, you know. You just have to make sure you push that nape down, and then you can have your pony, and it looks cute. She's so wispy and pretty. I really, really like her. I'm normally not that excited about like a, a cap that doesn't have lace front and monopart and all that kind of stuff, but I'm really, really happy with the appearance at the top of this cap and everything, and this color is absolutely beautiful. So again, I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. Don't forget to sign up for those emails and get that 30% off. So thank you so much for watching today, and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.